Now hear this. It's like worries in the dance. We say worries tonight. Worries in the dance. We say worries. Worries in the dance. We say worries there.
Yeah. Yes, people. How you feeling? Make some noise. Are you ready for the musical war tonight? Say yes. Yeah. Say worries. Okay. This is an introduction round, 45s only. So we will start the thing like this. Run it. Big up all the people from Czech Republic. Big up all of the people from France. Big up all of the people from Germany. Big up everybody. It's great to see so many people come to Soundclash because I'm a big Soundclash fan, and for me it's a big pleasure to see so many people supporting Soundclash. Okay. So, this is an introduction round. I'm gonna tell you how Pine Valley started. It was in 2003, few meters from here, on this very place. We started the Pine Valley sound, and we knew we are born for a purpose. Run the next tune. Because when it comes to Soundclash, we were born to do certain thing. Jimmy Cliff. Yeah. Yes, people, free up on yourself. The Soundclash start just now. Yes. Jimmy Cliff. Million vibes from Sweden. They come to get the trophy. They came to get the trophy, but they gonna get something different tonight. This is Peter Tosh. Where them I go get tonight? Yes. Yo. Peter Tosh. And this is other foundation artist, Delroy Wilson. Where them I do? Them I try. One more tune out of the foundation style box. Run away.
I'm taking over.
Yes. We are taking over.
So please step aside.
Listen, this is Lee Scratch Perry.
Because I ain't not a simple tap.
Pull. Run for cover, it's not enough. You have to run.
Run for your life, leave behind you in the night. Run.
Delroy Wilson.
Don't try to stop, or he will take your life.
Run. Pine Valley sound, introduction round. Prince Buster. Tell me about Pine Valley crew.
Lick him down in bongs right back. What a man for deader.
Prince Buster, the voice of the people.
Lick him up, you lick him down in bongs.
Yes, we are
right
go down
back.
to the roots of reggae music. This is ska. Prince
Them
Buster.
say the cat got a 9 life.
So
But
gosh,
this
start
man
right
got 99 life.
Yes.
Cause them pick him up, them lick him down in bongs right back. What a hard man for deader. Them
So many people told me, are you sure you're ready to test million vibes? But we know we can get it. You just have to put some energy. Jimmy Cliff.
Try and try.
Are we ready?
Know we about you on Soundclash. Buck up the champion tonight, you get flap.
Hey,
Now we are gonna murder.
cross clock.
Man a shout and woman a cry. Shouting out a old band sound die. I know we are gonna
Some clash is not easy. Yes, people, you know, say, Cross Club is our second home. Listen carefully.
Territory. I kiss up with territory. Enemies from the borderline. Line. Enemies, it will be murder time. Hear me now, watch the time.
Big rhythm.
Enemies,
yes,
from
pictures.
the borderline. Line. Enemies, this is the murder time.
Are them just the borderline today?
One of them come.
Try them, I try.
And pass, and then two of them come. But I don't think first two pass.
Alright, next tune. You see from next round, we will reach for the plate box and the killing start. Yeah. Hey. Bonnie Lai. Run it. Rest in peace, Glenroy Richards. They can't run away tonight, no way.
They can run away.
A judgment time has
From
come.
the judgment day.
Right.
They can run away
Yeah.
from a judgment day.
This is sound of the champion, and we win the competition.
You see sound clash.
This is the A1 sound. This is the champion sound. This is the #1 sound.
Are we used to
Every
it?
night is a sound clash,
And what?
and another sound get dropped.
On purpose. Oh,
Alright, we will play some unusual tunes too. This is Bitty McLean from UK. Listen, sound killing style.
Whisper a little,
Oh.
pray for them on purpose, and tell
Bitty McLean.
good Lord above.
Yeah.
This is dedicated to the sound we love.
Yes. Let's reach out for some new tune.
Killer sound boy ended there.
Cool.
No sound boy can screech across no bottle, cooking with champion sound.
No way.
Them just can't screech across no
Then them I go dance tonight. Trust me.
As some say, them can't screech across no bottle, cooking with champion sound.
But since they are screechy, they did screech across the border already. Let me advise them some nice sightseeing in Prague. There is a place in Prague which is called Olszany. You know Olszany? Give me some signal if you know Olszany. Yeah. It's a nice place in Prague. You should visit it very soon because that's where we are sending you right now. Run it!
Yo, son boy, over there, son.
For a little sightseeing over Prague.
Bumbo clock.
And there is one more cemetery which is not so far away from here over the river too. Listen.
To the cemetery.
Hey.
Take a son boy to the cemetery.
Right. You see, there is one thing about Peanut Valley.
Yeah, I am dangerous.
That's right.
Dangerous.
You should know that. Million vibes.
Yeah, I am dangerous. Yeah, you go to I put my task.
Go.
Yeah, oh, when the sun comes shine and the rain comes fall, I am
Dangerous.
Boy.
Yes.
Oh, when the moon at night and it shines so bright, I am dangerous. Boy.
Yes, Cross Club. Give me some signal if you love the music so far. Give me some signal if you want million vibes to go home without the trophy. Yeah. Johnny Osborne, tell them. Originally original. Mix it. Johnny Osborne again.
In the arena,
Hey.
a murder gangster sound chart for
Pull it up. Johnny Osborne.
this.
Let me hear you say what is. What is?
Murder,
Okay,
murder,
Johnny Osborne.
musical murder.
Yeah.
Sound boys, it's like death in the arena. A A murder gangster sound charge for.
Yeah. Alright, one more dead singer. Big up Nitty-Gritty. Tell them. How it go?
We run things, things that run
we run things.
Things that run work.
Yes, yes.
Things that run we.
Some digital rubber up style.
Things that run work. It's a long time no long see and
Nitty-Gritty. Hey.
London City.
Yes. 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 Run the next tune.
Won't you go home, somebody?
Cocotti.
Go home, won't you go home, somebody?
Adesso vi ascendiamo. Yes, yes.
Believe me, some boy, when I say to you,
Cocotti.
you can't test my sound in nothing that you do.
Dirty Margaret.
I've got my doublet and 45 well sharpened for you, and I'm gonna cut your throat more than a machine can do.
Run it.
Make this and play for the king for them all I bring.
This is Nico Bombo Cladimos.
#1 champion sound the world.
DJ Father. Dancehall Godfather.
Sound killer.
Yes.
Say me no sing a sound of my sound.
Yes, Nicodemus.
You know say my son come to run the
Tell
era.
them.
Say uptown and downtown, say all over. You know say my son where the girls them a follow. And say come here, say they must your
Big boat, yeah.
They must tell them.
hey,
And me say
hey.
England, Canada and California. And sometimes we just take it, they say up America.
Yes. Cross Club. The first round, 45 round, introduction round. This is just the introduction round, but we started from early. Yes, Bounty. Hey, Bounty Killer. Yes, Randy Price, we will tell them. Hey, hey, hey.
Don't try to take them body like disease. Them a travel so hard, never check them speed. Fly past them zone and never look and read.
Yes.
No retreat, no surrender. When I lotion, pet, or powder, we tell them no.
We never run away from no clash, not yet. We'll never ever run away.
When I powder, pet, and lotion,
Zero Fabulous.
anything is we can't do in a
Hey, hey.
Could have jump like a stallion, kick like a beer. Then I gonna
Yes,
come in,
people.
this thing now go kill. It's like you're fabulous, find extra gear. Things don't found us.
Some clash again in Cross Club after 3 years.
Surrender.
So.
When I lotion, pet, or powder,
We tell them.
no retreat, no surrender. When I lotion, pet, or powder.
Yo, hold on. Good soul. Yeah. What are them fools?
Hey,
Yeah.
give me some signal if you love Capleton. Put up your hand like this. Hey, hey, hey. Capleton. Yes, people. Adesso. Adesso we are starting with the flash.
I'm a sound shooter. Man, I shoot them spy back by a gunshot.
Alright.
I'm a sound shooter.
The Prophet Capleton.
You know why we are sound shooter.
Sound clash style. Pull it up. Alright.
Champion, where we are champion. We don't fear jump on. We murder jump on. My son a champion.
Hey,
Where we
hey,
are champion.
hey,
We don't
hey.
fear.
See that, oh, that K.
Sound boy, you know you have to die. You mess with
Yes, people, I hope you are feeling nice. The clash just starts.
boy, you know you
This is the first round.
my sound and
Be
boy, you
okay.
want to play.
Stop the blood clot crying. Every sound of it dead and tonight are your time to do the dying. Both box when them are colliding.
Yes.
You know where some sound try.
Be okay.
No contest, we are best of the best. Any selector thing never telling me. Step to the test, make we show them why we rating star like Mount Everest. My soul can't lose in a class.
Alright. We have 1 minute left. And let me put away for 1 minute the clash thing. Because yesterday in Jamaica, one man was murdered. It was singer called Matthew McConough. Matthew McConough. Give me some signal for Matthew McConough. He was a young, talented singer dead in Jamaica yesterday. So this is a tribute to Matthew McConough. Listen carefully. Give me some signal for Matthew
I say
McConough.
you got to be careful in this time.
know your role.
Yes, this is a tribute.
In a this time you cannot move like you're blind. No matter move because you get left behind. You got to be careful in this.
Rest in peace.
Know your role.
Great singer.
Learn your line.
Konec Soundboy. My budeme držet 15 minut přesně. We have to hold tight to the military. Tohle byli Píny Wally, but now comes the Million Vibes time. So Million Vibes, you ready to play?
Yeah. Yes, thank you, Prague. Nice to be here. First time for Million Vibes in Czech Republic in Prague. So, anyway, this is the 45 round. Now, let me first introduce my sounds. Tonight we're gonna have two MCs. It's gonna be me, Soul Rebel, and it's gonna be this guy right here, Daddy Firma. So don't get confused. We're gonna switch it back and forth. Selector for tonight, Mr. Willjam. Anyway, yo, this clash is called Worries in the Dance. So how the fuck you didn't play this tune? Run it. Run it.
Now here comes the volcano style. Now this one is brutal and wild.
Break it dance that party.
Yes. Yeah. See. Worries in the dance. Worries tonight. We say worries in the dance. Worries
Pull up, pull up, pull up. You know, anytime Million Vibes come into the city, you know, it's pure war. So next tune. It's a musical war, remember.
And fight against those who fight against me. Take all of shield and buckle.
Listen to you, listeners.
Ginger said, war in the city right now. Like a dog and girl.
But that's not all. War in the city. But we know when the next selector see us coming, it's not just war in the city. It's hell in the town for them. It's pure hell for anybody who tests Million Vibes. Trust me. Yeah, man.
It's ready in the town.
Yeah.
Gunshot on the right, gunshot on the left. Them is on you want to make me get dead.
Yeah,
it seems like every bad boy leave them nest. Every one of them is
man. Out to the original Sling Tank, King Tubby's 1980 fucking 5.
All of them deal with brutality. Ready in the town. It's ready in the town.
Weenie Wally, it's gonna be hell for you tonight. Because you know what? This is a big sound. And this is a bangarang.
With your whole pan bangarang. Come out of the session. With your whole pan bangarang.
Ready?
Pack up your whole pan bangarang. Pack up your whole pan bangarang. Come out of the session.
Yeah.
Oh, come out of the session.
So we do it. You know, we don't play the regular kind of tunes. If you know anything about Million Vibes, you know we do things our own style, our own way. You know, all the tunes you play, those are the tunes that a first year sound play. A sound who don't know nothing. You should better find some tunes like these. Come in, Fussy Jones, for the intro. Oh, let me tell you about my sound. Yeah, we're a little sound still, but we can take over the world, trust me. One step at a time. TikTok. You know, earlier they played a Malibu call, Can't Screech Across the Border and Kill My Sound, whatever, yo. Come in with the counteraction, we'll jump. We screech across any fucking border we want and kill any fucking sound, any fucking place. Because you know what? It's not about borders, it's not about countries, it's not about town, it's about music. Screechy, we are screeching. Caught the melody from back in the day. You know what? You look kinda tired up here. You know, if you're gonna test my sound, you have to fit. Real fit. This is our blood clot go. Listen. Junior Reed. Crucial. Anyway.
I don't know things go on in a cycle. We have the title.
Yeah, we already have the title.
We have the title.
You play the tune, says Soundboy go home. I'm gonna go home, but I'm gonna bring the fucking trophy with me too. And by the way, which sound you ever kill? Name them. This is a real killer. We don't show no mercy. Alright. Original ski on success from out of New York. But this is the wickedest DJ of all time. Man called Gun Punty, One Teeth, anything.
You test the high power sound boy, you hear me? You should have died for your greatest
Ninja
gargan sound in here. You hear me?
So
when I was a little stereo, I listened to some champions. I always wonder when I will be the number one.
And you know what?
Now you listen to the gargan.
The time is here.
And a gargan sound a rain. And any jump and come test me. Me a go leak out them brains, so sound boy.
You should really die when you don't get your Because you know what? Because you know what kind of sound this is? Run Buju. Let me tell you what kind of sound this is. This is not a scared little sound. This is not no pussy sound. This is not no...
Me all walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from.
Free up the general.
Ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, me have the thing where you are waiting. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, where you get it from. Knock on your entrance. Ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me
Rhythm.
Would be more than dead to take you and lead you to the promised land. Me 20-foot dive. All you got to do is
this is the third clash. This is our third clash this year, and we have more coming. No, second clash, and we have 2 more coming. This is the year we really make it. This is the year we go hot on you. This is Million Vibes year, trust me. Don't forget the 12-inch.
Earthquake. There's one in case again, man. Sparkles of dust. Watch this now.
Because what? Because what?
Wanna get me hot this year? Where them I gonna do if they hold me?
What am I gonna do?
Wanna get me wicked this year? Not even water.
Oh, it's getting hot in here already. Yo!
Wanna get me, 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 wanna get me wicked and never did you check it. This I get damage, don't trespass.
Alright, one more tune on the same team.
I'm saying we don't come.
This is our year.
Come for mash it up.
This is the year we mash it up.
If a guy testing going back
all over Europe.
Step up.
I say, send them come, send another one come. Cause as them come, I say we told them come. Send them come, send another one come. Cause as them come, I say we dangerous. Rough this year.
Yeah,
you know
rough this year, that's how we do it. No mercy.
Every man I come rough.
And just to show you, see, this is the vinyl part here. So you gotta, if you're gonna do the 45, you have to have the vinyl. So we're gonna drop for a tune that these guys can't play.
Alright.
Buju again.
Alright. I wanna run a step in a sound boy face. Alright.
Yo, give me the next 12-inch while we're at it.
Sound fit dead. Tell them say we not safe no dead. Don't play fi bust up in a sound boy. That sound fit dead. Tell them say we not safe no dead. Don't play fi bust up in a sound boy. Them never hear what my selector said. From a sound boy, just you know him a fi dead. Him coulda tight like a cock. And every like lead. We no yam drive biscuit, neither drive.
And you know what?
Them don't know what them.
Peeny Wally played a couple of tunes on the Far East with him. Remember? But they can't play this fucking tune.
I made my decision.
Robert Lee, original Jammy singer from back in the fucking day.
that shine.
This is a real piece of vinyl that can't find.
Ramping no skin, ya know we ragamuffin. We clip a sound boy wing. And the thing, you know, say my son.
How we doing for time?
For them premises, cause we
Phantom.
king. In the ring. When we come a dance and we know we execute. Put where a sound boy, I'm telling you the truth. We'll pick them like a.
So I was talking a little bit before with Ninja Man about the wickedest DJ and so forth. Well, if Ninja Man isn't the wickedest DJ of all time, then this guy fucking is. Super Cat! Can I get a signal for Super Cat? Irregular tune too. What are we gonna do with them if them can test us? Yeah, tell them, Super Cat. You better put on your vest. But it's not gonna help you because this is what we're gonna do. Yeah, man. We're gonna scalp them Indian style. Next, Super Cat. I see, before you run up your mouth against a big sound, you have to know what the fuck you're doing. Watch the little sound. You better watch a little mouth, I wanna run it up. You better watch a little mouth before me zip it up. And if me lick up on your mouth, you want to lock it up. I wanna say the general and I better shut it up. Super Cat. The dog gotta come on up and zip it up. Say turn it over, turn it over. A boy try something, then me ya go turn it over. What going with jump? Don't link upon it. Now this next tune, I think you all recognize in a way. Let me tell you something about tonight.
I'm bedding. Can't test my sound, and you know. I'm bedding.
Because what? Just play the next fucking thing. This is the murderation right here. That was the warning. This is the execution. Run it. Run Capleton. Yeah, I don't play the little Capleton, but this is the real shit. Yeah, proper, tell him.
When me say you're lifelong, but you're careless with it. No, you test Capleton, and you surely I go lose.
And when you test Million Vibes, same thing.
No, you test Capleton, and you surely I go lose it.
Murderation.
Capleton, come again, murderation.
You might as well call the class murderation. Alright,
this one is a special.
Do we have any Sanchez fans right in the building? How's it there for Sanchez?
Let's go big church.
No? Why are we gonna play this anyway? Because it's a wicked fucking tune.
Make it started. As my sound no better, we no big friend.
Drunk and sound.
It's not a problem.
What? Yeah, man. Big all around, rough all around. That's my sound.
Richard Stevens the bout. I want you know me a rough next guy.
Your days are over.
Days of idiot, so why?
I'm no longer around.
Poof, baff, we lick them.
Alright, so massive. Are you ready to go back, far away in the history of Jamaican music? Here's some real fucking wicked tune from when Jamaican music was new. Yo, we have a little message for you.
They got to go, they got to go. They got to go, they got to go. They got to go, they got to go.
What you say, Prince Buster?
They all got to go.
Yo, next one. Some real wicked rock steady. This is none other than Mr. Derek Morgan. Let me tell you about my sound again. I'm gonna take you down. Why? Why is that? Because
I am the ruler over you. Always the ruler over you. Right here on Orange Street over you. I am the ruler over you. Get off your bums and pride.
okay. Fussy Jones, rest in peace. wickedest instrument of all time, but you know, there's not many to compare with it.
Blow the many time and it still have one more time left because the amount of stripe on our shoulder. Lambaya sound a lot of this year.
Starlight?
I want to make it come, somebody agree on your girl.
A lot of sound boy I get us out tonight. A lot of them going to suffer tonight.
Now let me say a little thing before the next one. This is our last tune in the 45 round. You know, if you didn't hear about Million Vibes sound, you're gonna hear about us lots and lots and lot more. You're gonna be tired to see our fucking face. Listen! Yeah!
I got tired to see my face.
King of Reggae!
Can't get me out of the race. Oh man, you said I'm in your place.
Now we're gonna be all over. You're gonna see these faces all over on posters on the internet, everywhere because...
Is, Cycle Rude Boys, Cycle. Tohle bylo
Million Vibes!
A Píny Wally. Tohle bylo první vodní kolo, doufám, že si děláte obrázek, kdo hraje jak, kdo hraje co. Kdo zabíjí víc, kdo zabíjí ještě víc a kdo možná přizabíjí. Teď je před náma. Now we are heading to
the plate style.
The first, the big bad round. Now you're coming into the game also because you will vote after this round. And you will vote for the sound you rate more for this single round, okay?
Tohle bylo úvodní představovací kolo a teď přijde kolo, ve kterém se budou hrát dubplaty. Po tomhle kole budeme hlasovat, vy budete hlasovat. A nás čeká song, který se říká Píny Wally!